Well, anytime you get to make lights light up and buzzers go off, it's a highlight of our day. So just the tinkering and the playing with and figuring out what the different sensors do and how all of this works and the types of projects that it's going to lead to in the classroom has been very inspirational. I could have done probably 2 or 3 days of this where we got to dig further and further into it, but I think for coming in and not knowing a lot about coding or a lot about PyTop, I think it was a great way to get us started.
It was neat to kind of get into a classroom setting, kind of like a kid, and get taught how to use it. It's going to get used heavily. I mean, we won't have more than one, but the way, that was another thing that we kind of threw around in the classroom was ideas of how to use, if you only have one, how do you kind of effectively use that with 15, 20, 25 kids? I mean, anytime you have some sort of initiative that empowers educators to have more tools in their classroom and how to use them properly, I mean, who can't get on board with that?